Alright guys, we are very excited to be out here in the streets with you today, and we have a new toy to check out.
Yes, we do.
It is a Insta360 One camera. This thing films in full 4K. You attach it to this, and then basically you film, and you don't see this at all.
You don't see that at all. And you see everything in front of you and behind you.
Literally everything. When it says 360, it means every single direction. You guys have probably seen videos like this. You see them on Facebook where you can like move it.
Yep.
But the thing that's cool with this is you could just film anywhere, and then in the app, you can edit it and show what you're trying to show.
So like Fetty's doing a trick on the ledge and you just hold it right here. In the app, if Fetty's going like this, you can actually like edit it so it follows Fetty the entire way while he's doing the trick.
Right in the app. So you just put your phone, you touch your phone right here, doink, and then you go in the app and you're like, here we go, every angle I get the best angle. Yeah, just like that, boom, you see? Phone attached right there. So we're super excited to check this thing out. I've seen some really cool videos made with this, and I'm sure that we're gonna make some really cool videos with this as well. We're gonna attach it to my chest, we're gonna attach it to my head, and maybe even elsewhere. So I hope you guys enjoy what happens in this video. I don't know where you were going with that, Gabe Cruz.
What happens in this video stays in this video.
So I can go like that, and it'll be fully stable because it is fully stable.
Yeah.
Well, let's do some street skating and see what we can get.
I did this shot where I stuck it up my shirt and then put it through my shirt and out of the top of my shirt.
I'm sorry for anybody that watched that.
Daniel loved it.
Oh, that was the angle. I crushed that, I killed it. Yeah! Boom! Oh, here we go, Fetty. Sorry.
You hit me in the head with
I fully hit him in the head with the camera. I am sorry.
I just feel like you're gonna hit me in the head.
I won't.
God, I can't ollie.
You can ollie.
You just ollied twice.
You can ollie.
Oh!
How in the world did he just do that? How did he do that? Alright guys, well I think we finished with this spot. We got some cool shots with the Insta360 camera, and now we're on to the next spot. As you can see, Fetty went full frontal on his skateboard.
I did the impossible.
Oh, you're getting the good angles right now.
And then pretty much the coolest thing we learned all day is this. Nothing. I don't know if you guys could even tell what I was doing, but I was swinging this around like... And we're about to be on to the next spot. I just had Braille Research and Discovery episode 12, I think, at this point. You gotta stand a little bit away there, Gabe.
Okay, I'm in the danger zone. Oh, wait, where are you throwing it? Look at that. What a guy.
That was
pretty cool.
What a guy. Man, you really pulled a hard wang dango right there.
I really wang dangoed that wang banga. We should have got in. I wish we would have had this for that snake. You guys remember that snake?
Oh yeah, we could have got right in there.
Right in the
If the
snake.
snake ate it and tried to swallow it. A wang banga.
For my new vlogging channel, this is going to be like the best thing ever. Aaron vlogging. So that was one of the better skate spots we've skated in a while. Thank you, Gabe Cruz. You're the bomb. And now Fetty's going to take us out with the Ender. NBD. Look at that climb. Look at that hike he's got going.
Yeah.
This camera is officially one of the coolest things I've ever seen. It really is. You can do like that and it just like holds totally stable. The stabilizer on this thing is like sick.
He wants to hold it.
Okay, you ready?
He wants to.
Oh, I know what he wants.
Do I have to hold it a certain way or no?
Wow. What? Wow. And when we said Fetty was a black belt, that's what we meant. This might be one of the worst ideas we've ever had. We just drove to a hill. I was like, maybe we could bomb a hill. That'd be cool with this. Look cool with the camera. We're kind of putting this thing through its paces, testing it out fully, and I hope I don't die on this.
Look at that view.
Okay, I hope I land this kickflip. I pretty much have one try. My wheels are done. Look at that. Oh no. These are my favorite wheels. They are so toasted. This is not like the regular cement. This is not smooth, good cement. Dang it. It feels like I've been like running one of those jackhammer machines for like 20 straight hours. I can't feel my legs. I feel like all of my internal organs are bleeding. Look at this flat spot. Look at that. Look. Oh. Yeah, toasted. All right, guys, we're here at the next spot. This is just sort of like it's a random little skate park that's kind of not really a skate park, but kind of is a skate park.
Yeah, look at those ledges.
In the middle of a place where they have a basketball hoop, etc. So here we go. I think, see if I can do anything. My wheels are like severely flat spotted from that hill, which was probably not a good idea. Here we go. Gabe gets here for 5 minutes. He's already picking on kids. Stay to yourself. Stay to yourself.
I'm sorry.
What do you got? Wow. That was a wang dango if I ever seen a wang dango.
That was a wang banger.
Yeah, boy. that wasn't the angle.
I
don't
want
know
to
what
see
it
that
is.
so bad.
This is the shot right here. Oh, he's so in your way. He was right in the way. Oh, look at that hair, though. That is so on fleek. 50-50, kickflip. Oh, I didn't mean like out.
Oh,
like
I thought you
land
meant
and then do a
kickflip out.
kickflip. No, a line.
Oh.
What?
Yeah, boy.
Booyaka shot. Heel flip, heel flip. Woo! Pound it.
Into the grass.
All right, guys, well, we had an absolute blast with this thing. I mean, we took it to a jungle gym. We threw it about 30 feet in the air. It has some sort of image stabilization thing in there that I can't explain, but I literally put it on the end of this, swung it around, which I think looks really cool, and then threw it up in the air, and it is spinning the whole time like that. But when you look at the footage on the camera, it can stabilize, so it just looks like it's just floating in the air.
It like has its own physical atmosphere.
It
almost.
is in its own universe, basically.
Wow.
Wow. And you can get so close, like you put it on the end of this and you'll see, obviously you guys saw the skating clips, like right up in there.
Yeah.
Just like literally against the truck if you want to, or underneath the board on some of the shots.
Through the legs.
Through the legs. And it's so cool because after you have the footage, you can swipe and like record where you want it to record. So anyways, I thought that was really cool. It does film in 4K. And yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun filming videos with this thing. You'll be seeing some exciting stuff with this.
Someone holds it down the Braille drop and then people can finally see how big that thing is.
That's right, that's right. We can just launch it off the Braille drop. So we are going to be giving away one of these cameras on Instagram. So follow at Insta360 on Instagram and then share your clips and hashtag them, hashtag Braille Insta360. Boom, you guys leave some comments, you're entered into this contest. Full details will be in the description below, as well as all of the links that you can get this rad camera. And yeah, we hope you guys have as much fun with it as we had,
Wow.
I'm trying to understand what you just said, but I agree.
Mind blowing.
Same.
You guys will like it, you'll love it, you'll want some more of it.
Yes.
Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see us street skating more, leave it in the comments below. I'll see you next time.